This is the end of 2025. We are in December now. We just have some few days to go before 2025 ends. These are the few questions you should ask yourself. What was I able to achieve in this 2025 financially? Assets, or is it liability that you are able to achieve? Write them down. Those are one of the things you should write. What did I achieve financially? What did I achieve in this 2025? And what are my next year financial targets? Everybody should have a financial target. You should have a financial target that this year, this is what I want to achieve. That is what will boost your morale, that okay, let me work harder. You can build new streams of income. So the first thing is ask yourself, what am I able to achieve? Am I able to buy maybe a landed property? Am I able to buy that my car that I want to buy? Am I able to buy that my dream phone? Am I able to save at least minimum of maybe 1 million naira, 500,000? Am I able to achieve all these things? Set target. If you are not able to achieve them now, set target and set your plans towards those targets. The second one is how much enters into my account from 2025, from 1st January 2025 to end of this December. How much enters into my account? What is your total turnover for the year? You should know that. If you know the total turnover, how much is your profit? How much is your gain? How much is your gain out of those turnover? How much is your gain? And if you know how much is your gain, what are your expenditures? How much did you spend? You should know all these things. If you know how much enters into your account, let's use a layman language. How much enters into your account from 1st January to the end of this December? Write it down. You can check all the accounts. That is why in my first videos where I talk about, you should have one account where all your money comes in, especially that the new tax law is coming in next year. You should have one account where your main account where every money comes in before you now distribute it to every other different account, maybe your expenditure account, your investment account, your every other account that you want. So that main account, now you can go and check your bank, get a statement of the account, or you can get email statement of account. Know how much enters into your account from January 1st to end of this year. After you now know how much enters to your account, then out of all this money that enters into your account, which one is yours? Maybe 1 million, let's say 5 million naira enters into your account. Maybe out of that 5 million naira, maybe like 2 million naira, somebody just send it to you to go and use it for something for him or her. Maybe the person just send you an error. Those ones are not yours. Which money is yours out of this 5 million naira? If it is like 3 million that is yours, then you write it down. Then you now go for how much did you spend out of this 3 million naira? How much did you spend? And after you now write it down, how much did you spend? Then you now write down what and what did you use it for? What and what did you use it for? If you are a family man, did you use it for feeding all the money you use it for feeding, or you use it for transport? You travel to maybe like 10 weddings, or you travel to like 20 weddings in this year. What and what did you use it for? Then did you maybe you buy a property, or you buy a car, or you use it to buy fuel inside your car, or use it to buy a shopee? Just write everything down. The ones that are liability, you know that these ones are not bringing money to you, and the ones that are bringing money to you, write all of them down. Then after you write it then down, how much is remaining? After you write all these expenditures, how much is now remaining? How much is remaining? Do you have anything remaining? Or you are somebody that after all this money that enters into your account, what is remaining is maybe 20,000 or 100,000 naira? Because there are a lot of people that have done that this year. A lot of people have done that, and because they don't have financial breakdown of their money, that is why all those things happen. So you ask yourself, how much is remaining? Whatever is remaining, some people are even having minus after all this money enters into their account, they are even having minus. I'm very sure some people will have minus. So how much is remaining, and if it is minus or plus, you should know, so that you write your goals down for next year. What do I want to do with my money? You should plan your next year financial life. Plan it, because everything you are doing in this life result to finances. You want to go out, finances. You want to give birth, finances. Whatever you want to do, everything just bounce back to finances. Even your all aims that you want to achieve, they all bounce back to finances. So it is better you start planning on your next year. If you fail this year, that doesn't mean you are going to fail next year. You still have opportunity of planning ahead this year. So in my next video, I'll be giving an example of how much somebody earn, or we can give an example of certain amounts, and how you can break down everything. Thank you for watching, and do follow for more.